After the removal of the dust caps, dip to submerge the clamps, dust caps, gasket below in the SS container, which contains the portable water. Open the bolt of the upper punch Teflon guard and upper punch entry piece and remove Teflon guard and upper punch entry piece from the upper punch track with the help of hands and respective tools. Remove all the upper punches one by one and rotate the turret with the help of the respective tool. Keep all the upper punches at safe place after removal. Remove the lower punches from lower punch track by rotating the hand wheel. To remove the lower punches, we require to rotate the turret. That can be done by the turret hand wheel. By rotating the wheel, remove all the lower punches and place them on the table. After the removal of the lower punches, remove the die table by loosening the die locks and collect the accessories in poly bag.